Alright, so welcome to the fourth and final part of this four-part training series on how to dropship on Facebook Marketplace. In this video, you're going to learn all about how to make sales on Facebook Marketplace via Messenger, Facebook Messenger. And if you haven't watched the previous three videos, then make sure you go back and watch those. And if you have watched them, at this point you know the foundation of dropshipping. You understand why dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace is such a great opportunity for you, especially if you're a beginner to dropshipping and online business in general. You know how to find items to list, not just any old item, but items that can make you a profit and make you sales. And you know how to list them onto Facebook Marketplace. And of course, the more items you list in general, the more messages you're going to get, the more clicks on your items you're going to get, and the more messages you're going to get from buyers telling you that they're interested in your products and that they're interested to buy. So how do we make the sale? Firstly, on Facebook Marketplace UK and any country that doesn't have the shipping option. So as I mentioned in the first video, only the US has the shipping option. If you're not sure what I'm referring to when I say the shipping option, you want to go back to the first video of this series and watch that. But so for us in the UK, and again, any country that doesn't have the shipping option, we need to make sales in a certain way. In order to make sales, the buyer has to message us, we need to talk to them, and then we need to collect payment from them first. We can send them our PayPal link and they pay us through PayPal, or they can pay via bank transfer. And once we have the cash, once we have the payment, then we go onto the supplier website and we send the product straight to the customer, which I'm going to show you at the end of the video. I'm going to do a screen share for that. But first, I'm going to show you how to make sales in Messenger. So let's go. So this section, I'm going to show you three different message conversations that resulted in a sale. I'm going to break them down for you. So this one, the buyer says, begins with, "Hi, is this still available?" And of course, I've blanked out certain information such as the buyer's photos, buyer's name, our name, and other sensitive details like PayPal address, that kind of thing. So the way it works on Facebook Marketplace is the buyer, where they click your listing and then click on contact seller, there's actually a few options that the buyer can click on to automatically send the seller a message without the buyer actually having to type anything. One of these options is a message saying, "Hi, buyer's first name, is this still available?" So if the buyer's name is Tom, for example, they would get sent a message, "Hi Tom, is this still available?" And so about 95% of the messages you're going to get is, "Hi, is this still available?" Sometimes they also send another message or a question, but sometimes not. In this case they did, asking, "What's your address, please?" So in the US with the shipping option, buyers know that they can go onto Facebook Marketplace and order something within Facebook, pay within Facebook, add their delivery details, and then the item will get sent, will get posted to them. So in the USA with the shipping option, buyers go onto Facebook Marketplace with the intention of having something delivered to them. But in the UK and other countries without the shipping option, normally their intention is to meet up with the seller, go to their house, for example, and buy the item and pay in cash, or do a bank transfer on the spot once they've got the item. But of course, we're not doing that with dropshipping. I'm doing this from Mexico. It wouldn't work. They can't come to me, basically. I can't meet up with them. I can only and will only take payment up front and then have it sent to them. So this person's saying, "What's your address, please?" Assumingly, they want to come and pick it up. And so we respond, "Yes, it's available." They want to collect it. They also asked to lower the price, which is pretty common that people ask to lower the price on Facebook Marketplace. We said, "Okay, £38. They said, "We'll get back to you." So this, as you can see, was back in October of 2020. At this point, the government had decided that everybody in the UK should be locked in their house. So this person's saying, "When you're back, blah, blah, blah," about lockdown. We responded, "Sorry, we're only doing delivery." And they said, "Okay, that's fine. What are your payment details, please?" So we told them how long delivery is roughly. They usually ask at some point anyway, so we thought we'd get this out of the way, just telling them how long it is. We sent them the PayPal email. You can literally just send the PayPal email. It doesn't have to be more complicated than that. You can also send the PayPal link, as you see there, which you can create in a couple of seconds, your own personalized PayPal link within your PayPal account, but you don't need to do that. You can just send the email, both work. And they sent a screenshot, you sent £38, and we checked, and yeah, we received it, and all good. All good. So now, of course, we just want to make sure we got the right address. You can see we wrote the address, but it's blanked out. That's the address it gave us in the PayPal payment. These days, we just ask for the address because it's a lot quicker. They said, "Yeah, that's the address." And all good. That's that. Nice and easy, nice and simple. It's not always that simple, but a lot of the time it is, especially when you know what you're doing. Okay, next one. Again, "Hello, is this still available?" Yes, it is available, delivery only. This particular item was a garden shed. I think we had it up for something like £850. We offered it for £750. And he said, "All right." Still making about £120 profit for this one. And we said we take payment via PayPal. So here we actually made a PayPal invoice for them and they paid via the invoice. We don't actually make invoices for them anymore because we found that there's actually no point. It doesn't actually increase sales. All it does is take extra time. So we don't do that anymore. Usually just send the PayPal link or the email. And yep, there he said he just paid. All is good. He's already sent us his address. Now he sent us his phone number. And there we go. Easy £120. All right, this is the third conversation and the last one of this video. Once again, is this still available? So this message, actually, this is we can say my secret master message. Basically, I've tested a lot of things, formulated my perfect message, perfect in inverted commas because it doesn't work every time. But this is my perfect message with a few kind of psychology tricks in it, just to make it so they're more likely to buy it and more likely to buy it immediately. And in this case, clearly it worked. They said, what are your bank details? I want to do your bank transfer. And so this perfect message, by the way, I decided to blank it out. The reason I blanked it out is because this is something I offer in my paid course. And I know that the students in my course use this message and get really good results from it. And I know they'd be annoyed if I just give it away for free, give it away online to everybody. So I'm sorry, but I got to blank this one out. Can't have everybody using the exact same message. Okay, so this person said, what's the deal for 2 of these? So we gave them a little deal, dropped the price a bit because they're buying 2 of these, but still making a profit, obviously. So here they said, please send me your bank details. And so here we are, here's the bank details. Obviously, you've got to blank these out. And then here they say, yep, we'll just send it to you, all done. And they send a screenshot. So now we add their details, add the order details into the spreadsheet, calculate the profit, and then go over to the supplier website, back to the original listing, and we just send it straight to them. Buy the item as if we're ordering it to ourselves, but instead of entering our details, because we don't want it sent to our house, we just add in their details and it gets sent to them. So let's have a look now. And here we are back at Costco.co.uk, back to our listing from the second video, the treadmill that we listed. So what do we do here? We just go down and add it to the cart. I wouldn't recommend doing buy it now because depending on the website, sometimes it can literally skip the whole enter the address part. And when we're dropshipping, we want to send it to a different address every time. So if it skips the address part, it's likely to go to the wrong address. So that's not good. So we just want to add it to the cart. And let's view cart. Okay, all good, check out. And then you just go enter the buyer's name, enter their address, their phone number if necessary, but usually it's not necessary. Enter the payment details, and then that's it. It really is that simple. And now you made a profit. You got some money that you didn't have before, and you made it online. You can do that from anywhere in the world, and you can decide your own hours, when you work, when you don't work. It's a beautiful thing. It's really a great thing. So this is the end of the 4-part training series. I really hope you got something out of it. If you want to learn more and get really good at this, then make sure you check out the rest of my videos on this channel, subscribe to the channel so YouTube shows you the new videos as they come up. So see you there.